Okay guys, today we are going to have fun with an AR-15 golf ball launcher. So essentially, take an AR-15, put the golf ball launcher on there, take one of these blank rounds that I reloaded, video on that coming in next week or 2 weeks, something like that, and then you put a golf ball in the end, and it's a freaking ton of fun. So let's go to the range and check it out. Just grab a golf ball, some yellow golf balls, you go right in there. And you load a round in there. Take one of those. I just barely put it in there. Now we're going to shoot it through her cranny and see how fast she's going. Woohoo! You shoot it? Did you see it go? Yeah. Where'd it go? Yeehaw! 4. Woo! Redneck golf ball launcher. Pretty awesome. Okay guys, so with those blanks that I was using, I got about 300 feet per second, and it's pretty cool. As you can see, as you saw in the footage, the golf ball launched clear over the hill in the wild blue yonder. If you want to know how to reload your own blanks, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll be posting a video on that either next week or the week after, something like that. Anyway, okay guys, if you have any thoughts or cool things that I can shoot out a golf ball launcher, please put in the comments below. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.